Long division, dividing with remainders and continuing to divide forever? Well, sometimes division problems do not always come out evenly. The leftover number is called a remainder. But if we want to do long division and not have a remainder, we would keep dividing by using a decimal point and zeros. Sometimes the quotient, the answer, has a repeating number. So watch this. We're going to have 200 divided by 9. Can 9 go into 2? No, it can't. Can 9 go into 20? Yes, it can. 9 times 2 equals 18. So we'll put the 2 up here because that's the number we're dividing into, 20. We do our multiplication, 9 times 2, which is 18. We do our subtraction, 20 take away 18 equals 2. So now it is the zero's turn to come down right here. And we ask again, can 9 go into 20? Yes, it can, 2 times. We do our multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Now, in easy long division, we would just say remainder 2. And then we could also say remainder 2/9, 22 and 2/9. So those are what would be our options. We could either say 22, remainder 2, or we could say 22 and 2/9. But what if we wanted to keep going in order to get rid of it so there's no remainder? Well, we would put our decimal point, as we learned in the last video, and we would add a 0. And it would drop down, the 0 would get its turn, and we'd again ask ourselves, can 9 go into 20? Yet, put our decimal point up here, by the way. Yes, it can, 2 times. And we do our multiplication again. 9 times 2 is 18. But look, we've got a remainder 2 again. Well, this could go on forever. So, what we do is, above this 2, we put a little line, and that tells the teacher or whoever that this 2 is a repeating decimal that's going to continue going and going and going, and we can add all the zeros here we want and keep going and going and going, and what's going to happen is it's going to be 18, 18, 18, 18, and each time it's going to be 2 left over, 2 left over, 2 left over. So, the easiest way to do it is to stop and say, with a little line above it, that this one number is going to repeat. And that is how you stop a long division problem from going on forever.